Some people wonder with the money they adore in a hot-shaped hotel room. It's what a heart is for. The bubble floats so madly when it stays sky high. Hello, partner, kissing and bye-bye. Sometimes romantic poison, six angel in the sky. Chinese-speaking girlfriend, big brown eyes, European lady, sophisticated man. Hello, partner, tell me love can't fail. And it's you and me in the summertime. We'll be hand in hand down in the park, with a squeeze and a sigh and a twinkle in your eye, and the sunshine vanishes the dark. Some people wonder when they were born in a distant hellhole in the Third World War. But all I see is films where a colorless despair, an angry young man with a makeup on the hair. Sometimes get up, voice inside says there's no time for looking down. Only pounding word, you're talking to the town. How do you coin the phrase though that will set you so hard? Just to touch a lonely heart. And it's you and me in the summertime. We'll be hand in hand down in the park, with a squeeze and a sigh and a twinkle in your eye, while the sunshine vanishes the dark. It's you I need in the summertime, as I turn my white skin red, to peace from the same party as we are. Have I read too much fiction? Is this how it happens?